including Manet, who, although never a full-blown impressionist, was close to all the others, would be labeled as such. One of Monet's works, entitled Impression Sunrise, led one amazed critic to mock the group as impressionists, a derisory label, but one which the group came to accept for themselves. A published critical opinion of one such show gives a flavor of the invective directed against Monet and his colleagues. These would-be artists call themselves revolutionaries, impressionists. They take a piece of canvas, color, and brush, and sign the whole thing with their name. Despite the strong opposition, though, the Impressionists continued to experiment with their new ideas. The desire to see differing effects of light on a subject at different times of the day often prompted the artist to paint a scene many times. Monet painted 40 pictures of Rouen Cathedral, all from the same angle, but at different times of the day, thus showing the passage of time by the movement of the light over an identical form.
Monet is trying to create something more solid, something more durable. So this idea of timed sequences, studying an image, pushing it beyond, and experimenting with the composition therein. The poplars, for example, where you have vertical lines shooting one way up, the canvas being held in check by a Japanese zigzag, which pulls the eye beyond, pushing the paint to the surface. In Rouen Cathedral, you've got the full exploration of the Impressionist ideal, that being using complementary pairings, yellow to purple, subdivided by orange to blue. He uses the cathedral almost to hang these ideas on.
His fascination with the effects of light above all other factors can be seen in his depiction of a Paris railway station, Gare Saint-Lazare, painted in 1877.
It's not a portrayal of a railway station in terms of human activity. It is the movement of the smoke, the steam, anchored by the framework of the station itself. Here, Monet is perhaps much more anchored to a spot, painting truthfully what he optically saw, and rendering this with broken brushwork which fuse in the eye. It's not an accumulation of what he knows to be there, but the retinal impression, what he sees.
These trains were brand spanking new. People were in the latest fashion. The apartment blocks out the back, which you can see beyond the railway station, they're actually brand new apartment blocks. Modern day subject matter for a modern day artist.
Monet's enthusiasm for painting unidealized outdoor scenes as they appeared to the artist's eye was shared by one of his friends and colleagues.